Experience the healing power of hot basalt massage stones, your key to muscle repair and relaxation. Achieve deep muscle relaxation with the penetrating heat of natural basalt stones. Improve blood circulation, promoting healing and overall well-being. Enhance flexibility and range of motion, making movement easier and more comfortable. Reduce stress and anxiety, fostering a sense of calm and tranquility. Revitalize your body and mind with hot basalt massage stones. Discover the benefits today.